This is a Gingersnap. Tips, tricks, and not deep thoughts from a traveling ginger. Alright, y'all. So it is not even noon yet, and it's already 83 degrees outside. So here's the thing. I'm at a gas station stop. Today's a drive day for me. And because of that, I know I don't have to worry about batteries, right? So here's what I do. I leave the AC on in the back all day. Just crank that back here. Because look, I'm going to be stopping to work, bathroom, gas, groceries, whatever. So I leave the AC on. And that way it stays nice and cool back here. And it's comfortable when I stop. It helps out my refrigerator, because Lord knows in this kind of extreme heat you can use all the refrigerator you can get. And I can also just throw open the cab curtain when I stop, and that keeps the whiskey dog comfortable. He been sleeping all day. What's he doing, dog? Anyway, so that's my tip for you, especially on drive days when you're not going to have to worry about battery. Just leave your AC on, and it's awesome. And that's one of the many reasons I love the lithium system on my TRAVATO, because I have AC all the way through the house rolling down the road.